Ghana de shmai ma mamunyina che eba Sompa 106.5 FM Accra na wonim se Ghana today breno ena aso a ye de ba be sommo no ye de obokrata hodo abadwa so na poso ye de ba ye wie no se no nwotwe ebo a na Reverend Professor Joseph Osafo do atena se no de Sompa Rhapsody no aba ena obenya wo work ese bi wo fie ha wo ne betwetwe nkomo na ya ji abrabo mu adesua ne abrabo mu nyansa wonim se Sompa Rhapsody de ye tena se a enye ordinary show a life-changing show, a supernatural, a revelatory, a wisdom, a understanding. They say a bedroom rebino sebi betu Jimmy as Ghana. Sompa Rhapsody inti betu asi. Ye betu Jimmy as kra. Obia be hunyansa. Obia de ne shabrebesha nsem. Obia de ne shabrebesha nsem. Menchen ansa. Etienne so Reverend Professor Joseph Osafo de betena se. Ne wo de wo ho kese bi ba no na betwetwe nkomo Sompa Rhapsody. Na yate na bra bo mu adesua ne yenso ye de aboye bra. Eti mo obi mfre obi. We came to set the order. Sompa Accra enye ordinary radio station. Eye radio ye make impact. Enye wo mo ye dede keke no dede. Omo kasa sa na ade ache. Radio no fancy se bia ama. Oma ne de gina na gina. Adwen mu basa, adwen bone na gina ho. Debi Sompa Rhapsody best sound. Na mami fancy de mu odroma endpoint homeopathic clinic wo na eboya no pay. Endpoint homeopathic clinic Dr. Duboati nie. Doctor say ho ye endpoint ema wo yare ne wabini die. Haja special local foods die ne papa no anya contenten. Kasa natural mineral water abodu nsuo no eno no. Na Sompa 106.5 FM Accra se bia wo do birthday a year bibi now per se ye de picture to so ma wo ye kama wo a kakra bi na wo betua na wo ne yakọ nakra na. Wo be se wo be announcement social announcement full announcement sorry. Am pe se mo ne edi djuma eku ahodo companies ahodo pharmaceutical companies. Your client service line is 053-188-6216. 053-188-6216. 053-188-6216. Aya Sompa Accra, your client service line. No. Yes, mami bia when you're 61 years, I will won cry ha. And it does so homo bia 61 years. Wow. Yanya Sarah near Baku, Abraham Sarah. Abeja for me mamu nyina kwa ba.
Yeah,
and then see you kwada.
Edrobia.
Ai, edu kwada nso de a na ya kom kire da. Nti anopa you are not permitted to eat. Oheneyere is not permitted to eat.
The tabona to so.
Ai come de wo said say wo ye fasting na come an wo nye fasting.
No.
Nti wo ye fasting na come an wa enye fasting. E come ne de wa na chesa wo fasting. Na chesa wo fasting na work. Nti one man ka say eh me ye fasting na come de me. E de na wo expect.
Oni dia be dey come no.
Oh, you know you so okay there. Eh, body. I say, hey, me dem ye fast na. E come to me de me pa na de na we expect.
Eh, say me ba be wia.
Eh, am so here. Obrempong am so here.
Ma me enye easy.
Who say obetimi aso na pa na woni di. Won ka say obeye fasting, won te kom.
So come ne wo da.
Ah, because say no won ka say wo ye fasting. Eti bia woni beba ho so kra na bia be 2 AM 2 PM. We say, hey, asa na me ni di yo. Mo pray ni bi ma me ni. Ba wonya bie wan ka say enne me ya kom kire. 6 AM. No atekom. E no chese fasting na work.
Eh adwuma.
But ho na sesa wo so kire se wo tumi wo kom so.
O hye no, o so ho so.
Wo tumi e wo kom so.
Ma tumi.
Ba me chese woni so briwa me ngodi o misro. Wo be na be twa hwe a.
Ba twa ye.
Wo no ho ade no. Obi a wona obi de e 6 to 12. Me kwa nanu na mti se obi si de 6 to 10 maintain that.
Obi kra de 6 to 9 3 hours.
Why be? Hey, on the first day
6 to 9. I'm breaking fast and
So
it's
serious.
by 6:30 no didi.
You know, I fast 6 to 9.
Wakobi pa.
Bradia.
But breakfast who here, and our body no body be answer different. You need to understand your body. Men shed the obi yesumen suya, a bit me a how. Obi bet me 6 to 6. Be I want to more bear for Hoyentians who collapse the market. It is so shed one who day.
Yes, yeah, 40 days.
I was required 40 days. Obi 40 days who watch your mountains. Obrempong. Wouldn't so be quiet 40 days watch your mountains. Oh, would I be promising a cocoa crew in the
as no or train.
I'm a patch out. It is a one who be an in the pedia cutano. It will henna say, wow, best to do who are best saying, I'm a one who did. Our best didn't know what they may come quite for home. Yeah, I'm what may come home because me admit to a queer. I, a queer go.
Is there a branch because I be a do quad I emfa quad and man tempera.
Okay, no on to no more fasting. Okay, Monty will be break you the tambe.
Oh, no, Nemi won't come be baby or baby.
Indeed,
in the Beco 12. Go baby, I may call no temptations will hobby bree. And now, come on, no, I ban. Until Nadia made the Beco 12.
Oh, he never showed the other cause.
And they are the best in Nomians.
Okay.
Nomians are now about for a beer, Montenegro, then Pie Boy chat.
And you did at 3 p.m.
Obrempong
excuse you, dear, my say, who committed, not who committed him.
I'm someone no more dear, Niani,
and your temptation, you know. And you shall.
I was a friend, 21st in 21st in Runa, or no more. Catch you say, Didier and son one.
21st in Runa. I say, 21st clinic for Runa. They almost Didier and son one.
Dr. Sister say, we didn't pass away Didier answer. Oh, yeah, 30 minutes time, nothing.
But the young Sunday, you'll be a crowd with the Druso. With the Druso was a make fine, mean to me, judge him out, dear, but and I understand your body and who health, nature implication. I would do not no be and a man could be now a chayanti and say, well, Eja, what you're in it.
Last week, me, I could see
4 p.m.
last week in 4.
Okay.
And 2 weeks ago, dear man.
Okay.
But 3 weeks ago.
And now we were chips on it.
3 weeks ago, no dear. Meet me, and dear, meet me, yeah,
Mammy, papers.
About 5, no, not my emirate. Mammy, diseases 1 hour penny back home. I'm my emirate. And instead of the man come around one day. And I don't see I'm a drive in pension. Yeah, I said, oh, is it our consistency? Both 5 1 man, I thought you will be any. And I'm sure the man comes to be more mamma couldn't be emblem. So I'm in front of you when you answer.
And Rebina, I saw you quite 3 days fasting and prayers. Almost 3 days non stop until last day in the beddy. In Pania 1 day, 2nd day, you do 3rd day, no. Or say, Mr. Mukodubi anyhow. Yeah, my Pekodubi, more dear. I was going to be any almost say, Manusu Brimino, almost say, yes, some more. Mammy for daily graphic Dobocratanum Rana against xenophobic attacks. Ghana takes tough stance, declines South African president visit. Yes, say South Africa man peninsula person bestray Obrempong. Yes, he and Sra.
On Fanadia.
Because one no. Or justify one more demonstration or protest no more.
I say, or jitum.
Etienne, so what show I exhibited so jitum no. Open there for phone to him. I am missing
demonstration. Shooting a person
inside. We because we do baby.
I be Bema Oheneyere Obrempong for good chairman.
You who are back.
Papa so 29th one 30th.
Wait.
Oh man, when as a man hear them because in some who say embassy better.
Now we back say. Enti na mo say almost or sink or besraye. Yes, here in Israel. On penny baby in Ghana, I take a very tough stance because see pa actually said Debbie, hey, Mud Guswa and my deadline. Me say Oheneyere many ball video biso. Me say hey, nkwada be traumatic. Omo feel. Eni abeyi maame ne papa na pie.
Hey,
ena nkwada no maame aso ne ba ne nsa. Young girl. Ade na ade trauma. Obi wa watena o man ni mu ne nkwa na nyina, wa be wo ne menyi wo ko he, ebi mu school mu oni akopam wo mu. owo skuma ye ochra de o ni abepam na firi ho wonya South Africa
so
ni
kura woni certificate
enti yemfa ne se nipa no kura se woni nkrata wo man ni mu a se nipa no ni nkrata kura kwan bi se ne yefa so ye no
nanka Ghana fo ye te he ye si munni nkrata enti yenso ya fa ye
eni ma bi aya bi makwa ye wo South Africa fraud ne scam ne ade krono ne ade yet yes but that is not the right way. There be a mekan's a problem bar as I say we find a solution papa now we see no quite be solution oriented solution na edi aba papa beba enye solution be mo say ade as akwada o say was say ne toy no was so toy wo afie onyina kogu nsum onyine hu bi da akwada bia o say ne nua bi de ne toy aboho ne jini bu afu no eti was say toy wo fie onyina no le kogu nsum ade was enti ya na ye nkwada asem say problem aba na wo sama another problem asa be ka ho da bi say wo ye enti yes emane ma
na won fana de won tena na South Africa
na story bi nso e wo page 13 maame bi enya 61 years wo da ha Obrempong
ai maame
woman 61 gives birth in Accra woni ni o
maame na midday ni so ya the details ni nyina be ba midday opon tete kwa aye ho adwuma deda
okay
nti ye be ye ho adwuma midday ya
okay Mr. Momfamra wow Augustine Atewia na true story ne beto Daily Graphic page 13 a 61-year-old Ghanaian woman has finally given birth for the first time after undergoing a successful advanced medical procedure at Mary Lucy Hospital at Awoshi in Accra.
Yes.
Hey. Wow.
We almost say a stem cell enhanced IVF.
Doris, almost was a chartered accountant.
Fantastic.
Why a chartered accountant for 25 years. Wa pra wo for 22 years. Oheneyere. Wa pra wo for 22 years.
She aduonu me you know.
Or a chartered accountant. Eh.
No.
Wa mo ka kire ne se wontimi ngoda. Wa kokko baby bebre, ne mo se wontimi ngoda.
Na nyame nka bi.
Now 4 days to her 62nd birthday.
Wow.
Tiaka krebi no nya
4 days. I'm say
4 days ni esa aso
week ya mo benya 62 nti opon kra de o 62 no de bai.
Ene wonya. Ene say 4 days. Hey,
me say na nyame nka bi.
Dabi.
Na ye nipa. Nyame amana wo.
Who has the final say? Jehovah say. Jehovah turn my life around. Hey. He turned my life around. He makes a way where there seems no way. Jehovah, the final say. Where do you hear the final say, Pau? Yes, no one wants to me. 61.
Oh,
or the chartered accountant.
Doris Anum. No.
Mammy, dear, watch you.
Nyamiashan,
Nyamiashan, and one munyam. Nyamiama the dream no I come true. And you also tear Nyamema would dream and come true. When Yamemo this wadi no emre mama. Amen. A dear be a dawa kuma so Nyamema ni mre mama. Amen. When Yamema when you said one mama me Doris and near Gis at the age of 62. Onso Nyamemo when you say mre mama. Obi wa wo tie ye nano Sompa Rhapsody so. Oheneyere. Amen. Me ma me phobia mo frɛ ye. Obi frɛ wo Santa kosa me 54 years. Oh. Me pe be ma ware. Baako so frɛ so 62 years. Oh. Or pe be ma ware. And ye did two radio no so say wo a wonyi wo ye panyini wanyini na wo ye single. O manyini na wo so wo pe no. E memma frɛ ye de wo mo number mo mo nyina mo ne wo mo nkasa. Na efe wo Santa kosa me pe obi kura ne na di nkomo. Oh. Me manyini. Oh. Baako so ne be ma wo nkoda nan ya na ogya ne ho. Iti ho na memma mpanifo de bi so frɛ ye. Your client service line. Sompa Rhapsody for in a ye. Pacho, a mana or more frey, me peba quawari. Wow. And I said, but mammy back was me a majuma kama. And I said, Papa, when you feel about Koso no 61 about Koso was 62. And yes, they way number ma win, they way number mawi. Yes, some power Rhapsody, the amount of baby, yes.
Some pana de ama, and I original Mokano. Say, some pana man can say, oh, my friend, no say, hey, radio or ho. Aye, but I can't DJ she. And almost some penny for me and 61, 62. Almost afraid. And tea.
ono so maame na koma so ade ne say obenya bema omo manyi no so bebo omo bra bedi nkomo atena se abom na ese ni muni nkomo na mo hwese nyame be bie pa ama na fa eti wonso minim obi okra wo pa adwuma uni adwuma obi wa ha sikani ho ahokyere said ye maame nyame aye na koma so ade ama na ye use as a prayer point de ama se se aware na wo pa sika na wo pa adwuma na wo pa awo na wo pa
ne awo hwehwe bia
de wo hwehwe bia be mo ani agye no onyame nyama wo
amen
ti fagidie tai sompa akra ye mpa bo ye de ma wa no pa yi achi sa wonso nyame ma wo nya adwuma ne bi
nyame ma wo nya bi
nyame ma wo ngo
o ma wo ngo
nyame ma wo nware
wakoma so abisade ye no
sa wo pese wo tukwan ya nyame ma wo ntukwan
amen
nyame mie kwan bi ma wo mo akoma ntowo yem de yensa nyame mo akoma ntowo yem na wo ma wo nso nsere asase we su beje die awreho die bebrebe Oheneyere ye de fa he awreho die ye de fa asase we su beje sei nanu me lecture bi asem kan wo se Akosua wonim se mo te lecture hall ha nyina no by 57 me fan say 50 to 70 years no be any asase
no be any ho nti bebrebe
because obusa age na de wanyini wo mu no audio so wo mu no 40 years
wow
omo maka nyina 40 something 50 no so wonim say by
actually so
50 to 70 years no na mo te dem obi akọ ayampa na obi awu ko eti ye dia obema na ya tete
dabi awraho bebre sa
memfa nche
oh na ye dai
manso che wo je dia yi
dia na abenya apostle ye dai abegem
wo de kwatere kwa ba wo be san de kwatere kwa akọ enti dia ni dwai e dia ni ahantan e dia ni se wo mu nipa e dia na wo
buade na wa ahantan dodo
asase we so a wonim da kura nyame be frɛ wo enti yesre nyame ani gie ma wa no pai enti me graphic na se Oheneyere som na afei ye ne be manfa na die mre
mame fa the Ghanaian Times the Bokrata no ento so na hase na mampanya be de kire jena na opoku agema professor ne fonyi da hase no na okire se wonom so ehwe eye hwehwemu research found no wonom eda ano no wokire se sika bia da wonom sabesom no monhwe omofanya adwuma so ya beboa ama oman Ghana yetimi enya ho mpopo yepa na etimi enya nsunsuan so papa ede ama yenye se bia sika no ne duduo mo yese ketua duduo rewura de ya na enye ketua wese na ese wo de ye adwuma bia ebetimi aboa amatememfo no enya ho emfaso de wo na board no ekohia ye ena ode asem wese etu wonom enim na Ghana Revenue Authority so ena edidwuma so bi omo kire se ekwa abone so kwate kwan bia ebinom fa so ede anwa ewuremu ewo my Ghana se wo chese na free Togo ena wono be fa Ghana se nke ewuremu ewo Niger na temamoto we ho ena custom office bi offices no enya popo yese omo smuggle yenti omo kwaje omo hwehwemu no omo enya anu ye papa bi enti omo atam ede akwa akoma school feeding program se wonom enje mokra ya na muni niema momfa enu aduane ma nkwada ni no mo hwehwe na omo entimi enya ahoden ensua ade esensa ya sepa we no yemfa nhwe aben na ababetudwa se enne auditor general banko ntabufo panyin ade ababetudwa se abanyumaku ahodo board ahodo ya ehya abanyase no womo ahwa ma sikasem ho ntotoye ya antotoye nte no oman no etimi ahwe sika 1.24 billion Ghana cedis ye no so ho nsem no eda so chese bi wo hwa eto ho nsem wono mo nte ebi won so ane ye dia fefa nsase ene niema eka ho na National Ambulance Service fon so ena wonom esufre mo kire se eto da bia mekọ bi ye nkọ ne kwa yenkọ tie dromra eno ane ahaban to da bia na ehye ni siwo se ya ambulance car na so no bekom no eniema ne akade mpempra de ye ma ehye no di musa ambulance a ebetimi Aboagye nkwa asoso nkwa mu ekopem se bia bedra ya sabia kese ama doctor fo nso ato aso no eye ana omu ni binti no wonom de adesrade ama ban no se wonhwe na eniema bia ebetimi aboa wonom no wontimi emfama won wese na ye ehyiamudie bia wonom bu nkompo afi atwa mu na wieye ena afi nso na afi wese na hyase besi ne mpam no ena na wonom ehwe mpuntu a wonom nsaka ewa adwuma ne de atechema wonom de ensem wese no etimi etu edwa na police fo nso de kokobo aba wonom so a wonom etwi hyen a sirens ahodo ne bibobọ ho light bia ehia se wode bebobọ ka ho na mode abobọ ho ne se emra no ma ho kwan ya mepacho memfa enkobo ho nya sade so mu a enu bedi se ne se na efata we ni kakra de Ghanaian Times Bokrata no pay wode eba edwaso
ane minto mirika hwi na memfa the Ghanaian publisher enso publishing it too no me fa kakra bi wa ha attorney general de no wadi kan kanada auditor general de no wadi kan ntimi nhyada kora nkum Sarah Mafosa de no so ma me aka ntimi nkum na muntaka mfoni da honorable muntaka Mubarak Muhammad Alhaji $1 billion meth scandal no was say government officials ho wom asem ne yetieti aban ho wom ne nkrofo ne bi wo mo ho wom a eno wabɔ so wɔ ha saa government officials fo no a wo mo ho wom no Ghana for so mpomudin ahwɛ eno mfoni ni ena ɛda ha wo kasa page 3 ena ɛwɔ na lawyer Kwame Akufo sɛ wɔn na yɛ lawyer de ma Apostle Joseph ne mensia no wɔn na yɛ lawyer de ma wɔn
mi hu lawyer bi so no so yɛ sɛ no Safo Kantanka wɔn nso
lawyer Safo ɔno yɛ asɔre no
okay
a lawyer
okay
but we no de ɔyɛ lawyer de ma ɛma no nko a saa na wɔn de aba wa ha counsel for 6 children of the late Apostle Joseph na wɔ se enkamfo sɛ Safo akɔfena wadi nkunim wɔ court no ɛno nkyerɛ sɛ wɔno na yɛ Christ Safo leader wɔ se akɔfena not Christ Safo leader says lawyer Kwame Akufo enti he mo de mo wonka ne ambɛka nyina still wo knows that position no kra chronicle mu na me di we wie tawa ha I said that Atofasin caught off guard. AMA leads to public lands for 90 years without his approval. Hey, Accra Metropolitan Assembly. Nyawana, I Nico Quate one. And now was you at the 2 public lands at the amount for 90 years Lisa. Atofasin him hurry. And I had to for swear. And for Nino da, yeah, what the AMA, one more head office now. I war a Kimbu a hono, what the Ababa to us here. What can some no? And 2 page 2 ni page 3 what then some no dia ba akofana some no lawyer Kwame Akufo kan no so no and also ha microphone abo bona mama so ho no ase say una ni abri church mu ha no wo de unya bia unya chronicle page 4 what then chiremu no dia ba wa ha na Jimensa ma me Jimensa ni mfoni da chronicle anim ha na story na nkasa no asemo person kire ne say easy one more staff union no one more petition management tell management yes nka omo ye recruitment omo pe director of finance na je abehwe ECC kasem so de ma no EC staff union say mo nye recruitment bia wo mo pache wa wo mo hweye na wo ma fa director of finance bia ehun hia wo mo sa abre enye priority enu nkomo ena wo de aba no ena daily guidance so say government officials I say wo mo nyina ho wo mu ewo Australia 208 million meth no muntaka say wo mo kokumu a ye hwe wo mo ehwemu na wo san de aba say Porter ya na no mbie ya omofa bambofo ya say no kra am say dada 9 months ni wo mu mfa ho report ma ye no eno okoshi assurance committee no a ya say candidate ya call ya na ya say mu fa kra no obi a mo adwene nye emu bi nso aye wo mo ye drug addict wo mo no tramol ne super glue na ehwiehwie spray na sefo no wo mo aka no kra nso ya say emu be 1300 wo nyina ye HIV 1300
ewo HIV hey
aye
this is serious
mama da enough from 1300 no I born no kra wo kase no so anwumre no
enso na omunsu nim
wo mu nimo
na minister so mpese obesend na message dia ma omuntu mo de number to wo se wo pese wo hu adekodi ntia
okay
ya found friend it obi ono ni interest o ma the person will not call it nipa ni hu se
bibia o
ya dia we sentia but ya ka try ne se onhwe na ompe kwan bi so na omo mamane
and omo say candidate no so omo ya affected no so no ombepe counseling department bi ni counselors bi na oma counsel omo nya say you ha onya boss wa
was collapse kra
enough from sa
Obrempong ye ntem na tie for
enti ma me chronicles ya yenkenka ye se hwinsu asem asi se hwisayira no police fo ne manfo na ho na akọbọ ani amanipa mienu awu nti ano so page 6 e wo daily guide mu a ode aba e na akofena nso ne nua adwasafo ne kwadwosafo akofena wo mo so mfoni na da he ya wo mo busa se nti se hwan e na e ba bedi
akofena ne mo
akofena ne nua
oni ado na ye
wo mo nyina so ekoko kama wo mo anim so se dadwa wo mo se wo anim kurukuru akama chronicles ya yankenkan Proverbs 22:8 na no ye kan ya asemi ye kan wa ya akoso whoever shows injustice will reap calamity, and the rod of his fury will fail. we are chronicle. But see, Proverbs 22:8. Whoever sows injustice will reap calamity, and the rod of his fury will fail. Mame,
Matia, Medasipa, Mesamba Muswenche. Hello.
Hello.
Mebacho mini abe ne meshiani.
This I'm crazy after the birthday, they come birthday boy.
Mebacho maminti wa no.
12. Yedi kan pacho boame. Na yedi kan chat en koma mankana na ni nyamisha no juma pamuti ntu ahmache ebe juma. En koma do ashama, comme Christian se pacho ashama for montumano. E di ashama na e pata do nta kobara. It's cementing. And I call it. Subu concept the pacho me semo to do fam. Nyanteni papa call it. One pan ko deputy communication officer me pacho subu for amali montumano. Deputy communication officer kon katamaso me pacho eye abai montumano. And incoming chairman, Mike Tete, regional papa, and a fresh leader way in pure Tema West, woman organizer, Charlotte, the patron, and a Yahuda organizer, you constituency, and a second member, Nana Kwame, a cabinet of Yamishan with you on fire. And I could say, America, Yabaku, Ninipe, Nidikai, Mesle, Mabai, Ewe, Abuchika, Nikusu, let's say, the patron, Mamu Fanu, America. Would you on Jahia, so I would give up on Jahia, my patron, Miss Remo, and Jamie Patron, and you know, and go to record. That's record for me, for Mumbu, Mofano Corabia. You are talking to me, patron. Atakosia, that between you, I say, Choma, in show, Abba modem, and also Amoya Bebois. And so, a calculator to a Patibuama, watching a mama for George more, you part for more.
Medase, Wadrincha, Ode Abba. Hello.
Yo Kosia Ishira Balakuleke ni fonama
Agbetomedavo Efoniana
Agbetonyo
Mamintio
yo Mamintio no paina Mintia Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Nia Dombo incoming chairman Dombo Babi Wufia and a general secretary Ukumkom general secretary 90 people for me and election in Sida Police Ahuko election na bisenya nishate na nishiro hunyina na yami enyo mwakuma swadimo Akosua na se ni ufa bi kakra anti eto de bi na bituna nti se ndi ti fu college ni ba na mo ye nyama eye ni wo papa ya do aban papa ana aban papa Akosua se so ni ase ko circle my head as the center of Accra na ko sha nyira pa classroom circle my head as step and if we wow say tira college no yeni ya ho bebre no mu wie no mu frɛ tare fo se ni bi saw to wake up for yebo every time ni make na kafe yebo wake up aberewa emos ni fa be 3 or 4 ye do mu ko kata anu tire se party no aduma mo ye party ni asu tira college na tira college mu kasa mamu o se katire no o se do asama abai
Medasi for ya no ache busuafo nyina amaye ahe Sompa 106.5 FM Accra 0260196064 and 0260196065. Hello. Mebacho minu abe na meshiani.
Pacho pray to you.
Pacho mamintio.
Nyamisha mu mo pa mo ye. Na da wako de.
Nyami adum.
Yesre Abanya Waba IFN President Mahama.
Your call has been put on hold.
Okay, Memfawi. Hello.
Hello.
Ejani Monier. Macho. Eja macho. Mamintiewa. Yes. Medasi Ajanimo, so do the about 0260 196064 and 0260196065. Aha, Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Hello.
Hello.
Maybe I mini a ben messiani.
Uncle Chino,
Uncle, my minty one of you.
And a penny chair, I will be some funny and the chair that about me as a senior about Jaco.
Yeah, that's it.
And a pay, Now, pay a friend, a Obrempong say, or call meeting into so you.
First thing I crow be in was who committee bebre, obe breaky 12.
How many specimen, dark specimen, shall come me.
My man is best manager won't do it. You don't crowd. Dark one.
Dark one.
Uncle, I meet you want to pay.
I'm talking to Uncle Ashamade. Look when you meet me, 62, 61 to 62 years. I wait in your when you meet me. You may only say anything that any. You know, what to phone to Yami when they yami that canoe. No, I can't. You know, Yami to me, yet they radiasi, Yaman Nancy, eating a man. Then I am sure the uncle was a Salinia Yaka or car me home. So didn't come to get to me there. So, what shit, nothing, but you can't call a so good as a traffic cabinet. I just said, open your option, the way you pin to what the yellow. I just would you want to get to me cry, no. Because I saw about when I was your penny and also be your channel. And I said the business man, I do working Wakocha, Lankusa, and I applied the dinner a signation. So I gave 2 months over check and check a million.
Mate over Yana watch a bush and phone a day. Amaya Yada was 0260 196064 0260 196065.
Hello, Mammy.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning. Mini abed my bed machine and pay.
I'm in the Ima.
Imam Mole, Mianco.
Medasi. Whether living chair more than my Medofuba, Confle Pachiga, or call youth organizer, Chobu constituency, in Chichobu executive, to do a Moka and Amunian for Petremano, or Babua constituency. And I just take your boa, or also call deputy national organizer. Namaya Amano. Mammy. Nidika na who said, Mikata Mamunta Cow, but Master might have me say, and Yantia Mikata and say, a albino as a whole. Say, albino, albino, you bet, and I said, see a tour bar. See a bet, you're to a bit albino, albino, you bet to a betiano. But can you Muntaka as individual? I don't know, mechanica. Security a year, I see a demo, and yeah, HIV near the. Now, if you move to one of Muntaka, Muntaka is part of cabinet. Now, maybe we say more bonus of what to make funny pay because IGP police administration is involved. And some of this are communicating about to say, maybe I see anything, Muntaka can make funny pay amount to make a California HIV and not say anything. If the young can holistically say, I agree. And some
Medase. Danny Subaby, Amamole, with the buy. I want Nene Se Collins, dear. When Nene Se Collins, and I say, Nami Tiemo, ABC or Casa Free Abed Frey. Call for be by Nipponi Boni Dean for none and net to say ABC. Our Casa Free Abed, Pepe. Hello.
Yamia Sudian
and count so bemena.
Your friend what is 7 years.
Or this Sheba, and Ope Maminti was some pay.
Yamin shell papa.
That's it.
Now, no Catalonian function from Mutuga. Now, when you feel no more, you're doing singing Padma.
Amen.
The meaning of them about Fantiapa, the Coleman, South, or no call, because of the chairman, me or the chairman able to collect causes one, make communication, and it don't board do, nobody saw coaching. And me of them allegedly make a couple of data crack of them, and on the Baby Jumano. It is a common. It's a family command, but what you think our chief will meet you. Kaka me can say, India for more muscle. A jebo. I can't not get you know, send me a son. Or she party to say it too. Namibia force what 10 can win. We will give them a percent kind of forward to you. Hair can book up a mood. Now, the Americans are couple to be to be a doctor. We make a sense to you. They look at the actors that come and MC. And it's really come on the war. 10 years was the government now country there. We are going to affect the whole day. It's in this year. What you look up there here. I think they will be able to because you don't want to put them MC in here. Every one and go for. And I feel so.
Medase yana wachia abedwafo nyina ma ye time no aso 0260196064 and 0260196065 ahaye Sompa 106.5 FM Accra Ghana today dwumedie and wutie ne Ghana speaks bra na so a yetie Ghana fo adwenkyere fa nsem a ekoso e wo man ni mu. Hello. Yes. Collins. Amomole. Mabintie wanope.
Any campaign, more your money as deputy communication officer, the book consistency. Any more campaign money will now be given. Your back or you man, me kata, me bra.
Antina, any on an sepa.
Oh, me bra kata, one mother, one father.
Okay, Matthias. Mamintio. Amen.
Share. Many pass everything. Anna, I'm here with papa. Anything. Equipment, Mutaka, maybe a bit too. The guy will say, if you are a child, you need to come. We didn't do though, I will hold you. The small man will 8 years. We are century. And no, from Akosua, the Akosua, the way of Dr. Baumia, that's not 8 years. Yes, I'm 44, immigration for presidential. And then you take up. That will be there. They don't cut them. They are 44. It's a young Johnny. And this young boy about them. They're holy. Then you're so above. It's a young one from the teacher. When I'm from the teacher, but if we're there, and then we have to assume the next day not to feel on the man. And then the cat is one. You have to change. At 2028.
Medase Collins Amomole and Yana Matuama 0260196064 na 0260196065. Hello. Hey. Nana was Kenya na hoya.
Nana was
Hey, Nana was ka eso champagne. Champagne. Nana mamintie wanope. Nyame adome ho ye pa.
Na o skeja me saka mo fiji keti die. O me fan chat nkroma MPP college titi mo contest. Obi ti se o de se ba na ebonsu. La de kotopon den la also kola ana na ebonsu eko kolekote communication officer e sire wo mo Mustafa Abanazin. So mo adaja abrewa no yanko fo no dos ni aba. Ye be sire pejinfo. Ye bia ye gmanda. Ye can't be paid my quality to be you. The next conference was Bia or Kakola Bia or conference in the throne. I want to make my book conference and make me able to appear. Many have a Lemini can Kobola and I chance a tale of my Ghana and I said data and creativity. I know Yano, and yet the Manabasa, and then we look at the Zoom line of contract or my Ghana animal. I can't contract. The plan is to take my Zoom line or more with the pastor of community and the SCA, the Papa Bia, Aususa, but in Kelly. And now Zoom line a Zoom line contract with this Kelly Diacosusa. Now, Bola, no, with the men of Messana, one of the now you almost see a video of my Ghana in a Friday, or Bianco, the ATC Concourse Sabola. Fine, a good idea. Now, Zoom line, you know, your mammy knew me.
Medasina Nawiska, Yana Wachia will be my 0260196064 and 0260196065. Yes, Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Ghana today na Wutino. Hello. Hey, Mr. Azam Fufro. Hey, Mr. Nokrasa, yay! Mr. Nokrasa. Oh, Azam Fufroko. Oh, No cross am yen kwai.
Menchia na menchia ojuma for.
Me da se.
Na menchia chief of staff. The bi obi na menka no. Dr. Moba for national vice. Just this year, also called deputy national organizer. Because down for any to the communication, national deputy, then some county or some name Tabran Forestry Commission. The men come home at it. I'm moving to my papa, Nana, payment, could have going to me regional secretary. Papa, we are Muntaka, the best friend, what could be a year, Papa. You were main Kaswa. Oko Nagbo officer, MPT Dreso, HME appointee will be a. Put on the every two, every cake. 1 billion crap for who say, one shall you know, and some the canoe or the time I just can't walk because we need a former de local to Nagmo, Abosumi, no jacket here, that were MPP Bresso. As a name is the Bayan, you see, and the moving. I'm a giant awful. Over put Candy School, Mosaic, BBI, as yes, won't confide. As when you are going for MPP for a moment in Papa. Why you could be or confide the Amafano, one Amoya Bantan, then so a moon, now Model Cosma, 1 person from full soldiers, I don't know whether you know, who send you that.
Medase Mr. Nokre Asa Yada CP 0260196064 0260196065 0260196064 and 0260196065 aha Sompa 106.5 FM Accra Ghana today and a wutie free Ghana speaks so hello Ghana today na wutie Ghana speaks every mo aha me pa chomi ni aba na machia ni
the time no now they just
Toto Pachi, and then I mean, say what I'm Yamia to move now, so how the Metisri and Ephraim to don't worry, Metisri and Ephraim. Medasi,
in command MC, a friend Edmond Agbo. Honorable Edmond Agbo, Elder Mekobina, Yankupon Shira Papa, or any king, Jumason, or Moboma Domekobina, Yankupon Shirano. Now you really finit that. Naminchia Kwajudankwa, or call for National Deputy Communication Officer. Naminchia a most blessing, or call for Regional Secretary. Yankupon Shiram Penifui, Naminchia Peter Kwesimensa, or Temashipia, Julian Ponshirano, the Chatwo, and Coma Honorable Julius Debra of Flagstaff House, Namishra Papa, in Trimupon in Amram. Honorable Abolo so trouble or call for deputy communication. Trouble for the 63 of why you should to you check. And I Yasuma of Banyansa 4 in Sumana Mountain, Intimuntu Abama, Honorable Abolo, the common sense man. Mammy, will you be Kafra Mammy? My first antenna wants to say, what was told you, they were to a shadow. So we to ascend what you a one assem. Yeah, and you shed that crowd with one. So the man bar and crabby and a brain of vegetable. Sure, yet the Ghana, yet the democracy, I can't and no be any open. Bibi am a castle, be said. On my the democracy, actually, a jar is on offset and more a few rumor on me any open. The patrol abroad for democracy and you know, man, shall say, the perry you do. You would be a brassam, almost running the petty, almost democracy. And now we give democracy to you. A bottom through school, Kunionko. So, democracy too. It is a John Dramani Mahama president at Chow. Young son, and I'm not 54, I'm a soldier by, or the periphery, a young Cassia, the church will be found with you. So, then we make a shot of doing and brassam, what is it? Our Ghana Montessor, young man.
Me dance Toto Pachi yana wachia will be my hello. And funny Pami and
Akosua Aboagye.
Yes, Papa. Mr. Brighty, Aboso Kanyana.
Oba Sompa will be man and Yankapu be.
Amino.
Yankupon Shira, Naya Casa Pitabura.
Oh, Nanaya, yay. My Mexo, Mate.
Right, Yeminia.
Antina Money say. Radio Sompa de Abusia radio, Abusia for Diaboso.
Part now could be mono, and one could be party papa. Yeah, but or you good, Mate, Mamiti. Yeah, now party are most people woman dear.
I drink a share Bambuoli, income chairman, OTO program. No. And me our commission. On also ATO, just in Frimpong Kudia. Nana B. Company for ATO, papa, and the Yeni Anum, in your common na no scout that Casacos is here. Young crop won't be the contest. Last Saturday, young showman and Yamana or Memabuama and people party and Connie. Nimpame, Master in Su Namuna, and he who fear Shifi, name Pia Bontin, because Upia Bontino Yeni Biba, about we not just on one year or no against our dear Betino when you Skagudi Butum. And that's born by concerning Namuna. One ship now Pia Bontina, the best in there. So I can't say, will be quite a no washing. What the car Musua and Paka Pak Mufi. So I can't say, because it's an issue to an air Pakas. Paka will be among Penia, they may have is man. Then one can number cocoa board, or man, born in Sue or Accra cocoa board anymore. In fact, Nanam bisa mo se tini ni cocoa board from ye juma inside one. Omo fa ball even the question.
Me das me mfamienu hele.
Nya from the encounter say.
Encounter so na hwan na meshi.
Rose Queen of the Airways and Ibutu Ashama Lebanon okay.
Oba pa Queen me enkwai.
You know I wait the me NDC ni the bet let's try me na mo MPP for. Your colleagues are more contesting now MPP ticket so me sro omutuma omunyina amame because omubom humodi anopa ya enyina najo collect video musika to credit e different party no omusho omunyina nyamame na macha Blade Amos okogitaka regional secretary emelu so a gitaka formation enyam na macha George Daddy oyejuma miracle meshi junior mesrese Yankupon Shira Branche, or Yijuma so miracle mission opa. Minaba, ye honorable Motaka. Wayedi, but on to Tunyame. Me abadada ochumu ye fa police ni soldiers. Yenti, ye be woni say, omo immigrate omo, ye be woni say acho matale, o man line, on a line. Yenti crampo say ya will bring up the key form, but to now place or buy no. Omo yen kira say. Police say, "Wow, we are ready. Koloko pick from soldier. Koloko pick from." But you must be no Akosua. The best friend say, "Want to tune your man is friend. I best friend because your man who are more koi ye cause I be very almost say you young form we and so your friend I need you. And I mean your best friend my buying Zoom lion. Found Jumano no yom Juma. Miss Ropa need you. Na me town.
Me dance oba pa me fadi o chato hele.
Mame, Zoom Lion for ya, kind. Omuni good, Nanado, Abanya Nimuas. A year you were seeing Japan. Nanado Tamu, yet the Tumashan and when you Jumana, Jumana, sure.
Ah, Nana Tabora Niana.
I'm like interested.
Ah, Tita Ben out to be Bora Musa.
Sir, Judgment, what's the name?
Hey, dear, Cassana me for last call out there, Cassa.
So be a company, a man, another mamoon, a fat baller, who go about any more. I hear you were Japan, July. And you must learn another year about me, Bahama, or no, not when you could and farm, but really, there's then. So, the only no, the ball of the Sana was July on Sa. 1 year, Jumana Bay. So I say, because Zoom I want to meet you to support our green and my green mountain. So I say, now another time you're sharing, sir, Bola, Echo, and almost another Danko Quadra. And to Zoom on there, you were sent upon the Eva Mama and money to the and I have
Martina Medas, Mefadi Chato, hele.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yamia Dumuminia Ben Messiani. Elliot. Ayo, Elliot, minimum.
It's not Elliot too.
Elios.
Yes, ma.
Okay, Elios. Okay, minimum ye.
Menia is saying in your mutaka. Oya di boni dodo. Menia, okay. At Tama's time, Oya Yamabi and Fata. The Saint Mahama first time, Oya Yamabi and Fata. The third time, Osaya Sawi, Oya do 1 minute or half an hour. Because Ojuma say coding microphone national security. The end this college of Bianya apartment Bianya. I'm telling you, you break assignment and it's power. And then you come back on your position there and this. But you go school, you know, be my dear father university. But you call it a radio defender Ghana. You can't get no person again. President Mama, Obiani, Mr. Boy, you know, President Mama, she is telling all the back and on social media. Obiani, who's so about me? I didn't see Ghana had Ghana history. And that President Mahama. And that's a minister, a minister of book of Panamasi. Oh, yes, I'm not giving and these scholars and testers. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Yes, you da see the see na ansana ye di greetings, birthday greetings no beba no. Bi a won so dofo bi di birthday o pese ye twa video e ma wo e wo ye Facebook page pese ye announcement mawa 05318862116 05318862116 na bibia akoye e de amakama na ma memfa endpoint mrana Obrempong ne Oheneyere Emma yensuo ne aduane bi ni anopeye na endpoint homeopathic clinic Dr. Duboaten na etonsa ede afrewe the doctor kan say bomoden ase obeba na aye endpoint ede ama wo yare aye endpoint ede ama wabinidie aye endpoint ede ama wamani hunu stroke abo watofom hypertension ne diabetes amo aye mobo Mr. Bra na endpoint homeopathic clinic ensha wo yie wate Kronoma buahia wo kumase na shell signboard e was spinters kwan so eti awomu hawo endpoint prostrate in men endpoint premature ejaculation endpoint nerve diseases endpoint kidney issues liver issues endpoint homeopathic clinic physiotherapy ne massaging endpoint misro dear Dennis say we just scan for free e de amamma o yo ba kwhye wa wodiem wo ye be ma kwhye wo be ma no prostrate no ni nyina ye nya o hye okwa we are lab no be 50% na wo betua eti endpoint homeopathic clinic sebra na on show tema community 22 so ba ko ho frena Dr. Duboaten wono abefa 0244867068 0244867068 and 0274234321 0274234321 na bibia akoyenti abrotia yenkwai oma odiane ni yo wabi o mic ne de okay
say ya de
na se ne kasa no wo form kakra
nyame be kan ye ho nti yam
aba
fantastic say aye auto booster ntino
Eddie, ya no wo
technician na kan say dey say aye auto booster ti start say car you start ignition for no aja ho na me de car na koduru
wo de edu hadia
aja special local food
okay we ya ma ye fast ye be use banku ne tilapia dia
enti wo mu epe banku ne tilapia no tilapia nya nkrofo de na aye ko bi na de atu nsu ma na aye mre ni bia nya noa ye fre tilapia ni a wo body ni bia otimi enunu ne tiri ne mfinfin ho no ne nani ase ho no me kan obi asum na no se ye hwe me se ya kodani ane de ye banku ne tilapia banku ne nkruma no kra no nkruma no se ope ne nkwan na afroye twitwa yi kakra nyadua kakra gumu na wele kakra yamade kakra na ntwinam ne kakra hyehye kona so na beef hyehyehyem na fish ye bubu samo yi ne mama akoma do tumirika kwa agye ho wo de ne yetuo afi na apewa che jollof fried rice assorted na say kokonte na papa pransa ne ya wope bia aduane no me se ya na me pese meka we ma shira bobo bi so e de wettle appetite Obosu say ekimo we ka so wa Mohammed ye ne so ko haji special local foods na ko di sisi ya wo hacho atomic kwan so ya transition chen ho pe e ho an wobutuo bia wontimi nkoi sensu no whether na ye something but we kwa adwuma enti ye fa aduane mero delivery are ready frey ye was 0246 359 921 0246 359 921 and 0594 797215 0594797215 Hajia special local foods Adriane Papa Efie
Mami free Hajia wana ye free ninchi mo kasa mineral water na senya misika no de bia enso de eye nkwa over 70% ye ni pedua no eye nsuo nte no me pacho onum nsuo anum nsupa Kasa Mineral Water, CASA. Kasa Mineral Water, Kasaloma Ventures for and a dear bedra. So not saying and so you didn't buy no. Wadaroma would tie me at any ye. And you so be an so sachet water and I say pure water. Who told you it's pure? And ya pure sass and ya Kasa Mineral Water and patrol. And ya no washing ye what's it? A son said no, so you didn't buy and then can I it to know. So one ship that be a mecha a free banner watching me and I watching me and say kono. And so who do ye benum just one try ya the wa who do and a day brain. Na casa for the son said one of dear no, or two no botaments and wadaroma. One ya dear be I am to ya dear nay, ya dear kawa nam and so fin so at the bunny pedianono, one in a ton quanta, more pie say ta, and until patrol ya what the jeer, and now say be a program be a batonsa. Edi afreni padom ebusiano enyumekwa huduo yeton safra mo samofo mani nkyeremo ewo back hospital chi wo taifa akra ha yana Kasaloma Ventures woni woni nkita ba bia wo bia no so no ubetimi afre no na wodi bi abro me patwe bia opesa customize wo nsuo no edi aye wo dwumedie bia no so no beye edi amount ye wasashe once no wo bottle once nketwa medium ones na fen so bigger bottles so no anase big ones na no so bi wo ho ene yesa what dispensers for institutions any family no me patcho betimi afre wonum 0206 469 430 0206 469 430 and 0303 965 780 0303 965 780 Kasa Mineral Water wasinum ensopa ebema wobo etimi adwo
yo enti we dey Obrempong na greetings kakra wo ho na me em se comments appeal to your Facebook page no or de na dwenkyere bi aba afa ho na makan ne tew ewo ho na onso o de aba ma men kan ne preko na comments appeal to your Facebook page or see JDM and NDC had nothing good to offer Ghanaians. My NPP family, let's unite for victory 2028. Kudos to Hajia Safia Mohammed, next NPP National Women's Organizer hopeful, and Hajia Ruka Seida Ahmed, next NPP National Treasurer hopeful, by Comensa Pillar 2. And Yenuya Janet Esie Duanso, Ebesere Eguye Swanope. It will be Ponana. Any ye. Mammy Nasim anyhow. Okay. Ye Jani Akanyana de Amar Rhapsody. Yamwatch the biggest explosion. A baby see Ghana today, so my no one on the year. Biggest explosion. One of the biggest explosion. ABC. Okay. Our Ghana today, so. When she should mona why ABC what I mean, if be a dear who Ghana Immigration Service. It's not more interview, won't you answer in them? You are better. Oheneyere ebacho wasi mechato
mame mejina yera muntaka mubarak reporter wode baye no na maka kire yenyina yese ni titu youth no be mindful who you enti omo nenam system ni omo nyina wo we kra ye omo akakra bi na wo kwehia no wakwa ho asema ba me na mu ne nada
na omo nim
omo kra
mfa meto national data no so
because me sure say wonim say wo HIV ankonko ye test
very well.
Etuti so omo a abase omo no omo nkra nim so omo HIV ni bi
in the 2003 be kan ye existing ones na ho
ene omo nkoye enso da kra
eno former defense minister na mrashebedwam o ka kire yewura muntaka se omo mpe kwan bi so na omo fama amane bonu nkodru o makachi because those are ya identify omo as